Want to connect multiple CCTV cameras using a PoE switch but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you the complete wiring setup step by step, including router, DVR, PoE switch, monitor, and IP cameras. Let's get started. PoE switch. RJ45 connector. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. Camera 4. Router for internet. DVR as per your choice. Monitor or LCD for display. Connect camera 1 to PoE switch. Connect camera 2 to PoE switch. Connect camera 3 to PoE switch. Connect camera 4 to PoE switch. Connect your router to the PoE switch using an RJ45 Ethernet cable. Next, connect the DVR or NVR to the PoE switch. Next, connect the DVR or NVR to the monitor. Once everything is connected, the router provides internet, the PoE switch powers all cameras, the DVR records footage, and the monitor displays live video. This setup is reliable, professional, and very easy to expand later.